I'm Chef Mehdi. I'm going to show you how to cook pasta. First, you start with a pot of boiling water and just remove the lid. You don't need that anymore. That's just to get the water boiling really quickly. Season your water with a little bit of salt and toss in the pasta. Now this pasta takes about 6 minutes. Some take about 8 or 10 minutes depending on what variety you use. Just giving it a little bit of stir as soon as I put it in, and we'll check it in about 6 minutes. After boiling the pasta for 6 minutes, you want to just give it a quick test, make sure it's ready. Just take a little piece out, give it a taste. Make sure it's al dente, it's perfect. It just means that it's cooked, but still a little firm on the inside. We're gonna drain this from the colander. Be careful, it's really hot. Give it a quick shake or two. And right into our bowl. And that's how you cook pasta.